Oh, not got a perfect day at this. Time to get something in. Sorry guys, I missed. Guys, there's a guy behind this video, so look out for it. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Oh, yeah, hello. Are you Ivy for work? Yeah, my daughter. Actually, no, my daughter doesn't have a look. Oh, cool, look. So I use this to do. I even do the paint. Now you have to see this too big. That's kind of fun. Yeah. Look. Get something in this. Yeah, I do good. Okay, sit down. You go move, pop, move, pop, and do. Show me what I say. Yes. Yes. Cool, we use that to turn into a page. And then I get out. And give it. Land. And get out. And get it. That's how we do it. Cool. Cool. So cool. Hey, anything. So that's okay. Doesn't need anything. Dad. And right here. Oh no, I think I must go home now. Okay. Bye. Okay, now what should we do? I know. You should go out and say, hey, nest. And it's put my hand. Yep. It's going up itself. It's going up itself. Do it. It's out of control. What? This. It's so deep. It totally shook me so. It totally shook. It's so weird. So weird. I need. I have to get that's sayings. Oh, figure out, yay! Oh, I have a new sword called Ivy Sword. And I give it that this is sword. It's a kind sword. But figure out, yay! A thing is going crazy in a nest part. In part 2,